They were in Court 5 before Magistrate Fabeya Zor. When the case was called, the prosecution asked the court for more time. Attorney-at-law Dexter Todd explains.
Well, we were given another date, and that is for statements. So we return on the 15th of September.
Particulars of the charge against 54-year-old Westford are that between July 17, 2014 and June 23, 2015, at the Public Service Ministry, Lot 164 Waterloo Street, Georgetown, being employed with the government of Guyana, she sought to illegally transfer vehicles owned by the government to herself and several other persons. Cummings was charged with 4 counts of intent to defraud by creating a document purporting to be a receipt of sale for 7 vehicles. The facts are that between July 18, 2014 and April 15, 2015, with intent to defraud, she forged certain documents purporting to be a receipt for the purchase of the said vehicles. Westford was already granted $200,000 bail on each of 4 charges, and Cummings was granted $300,000 bail on each of 4 charges by Magistrate Anne McLennan. Meanwhile, the former Public Service Minister is likely to soon answer for the alleged misappropriation of more than $120 million. Nightly News has credible information about the plundering of state resources 3 months after former President Donna Ramatar had announced the 2015 general and regional elections. Westford will be asked to account for $120,720,000 she secured from the then office of the president between February 10 and April 23 this year. And as the former minister's woes pile up, she is becoming increasingly embroiled in a suspected fraud involving hundreds of millions of dollars of state funds that cannot be accounted for. An internal investigation at the former Public Service Ministry has revealed that the money was withdrawn at the behest of the former minister between 2013 and 2015. So far, it has been established that the funds were approved and uplifted. In some instances, the dates to show when payment vouchers were uplifted are unknown. The initial investigation is pointing to certain improprieties, fraud, and the misuse of state funds.